Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a turkey tail plaque, step by step. First, gather all your essential materials. You will need the turkey tail and beard, a sturdy wooden plaque, a sharp knife, borax for preservation, and a hot glue gun. Make sure your tail fan is thoroughly cleaned, removing any dirt or blood. Having everything ready before you begin will make the process much smoother and more enjoyable. This initial preparation is key to a successful and lasting display. Next, focus on preserving the tail fan. Begin by carefully separating the tail fan from the turkey, ensuring you keep the tail bone intact. Using your sharp knife, meticulously scrape away all remaining meat and fatty tissue from the base of the tail bone. This step is crucial for preventing decay. Once clean, apply a thick, even layer of borax to all the exposed flesh. Let the tail fan cure in a dry, cool place for at least 2 to 3 weeks, allowing the borax to fully dry and preserve it. With your tail fan fully cured and dry, it is time to mount it onto the plaque. Carefully fan out the tail feathers to recreate their natural display. You can secure the tail fan to the wooden plaque using small screws, hot glue, or a combination of both for maximum stability. Next, position the turkey beard, typically centered just below the tail fan, and attach it securely. Many enthusiasts also add decorative elements like spent shotgun shells or leg bands to personalize their plaque. For the final touches, give your newly assembled plaque a thorough cleaning, ensuring all dust and debris are removed. Consider applying a clear protective sealant or varnish to the wooden plaque and even lightly over the feathers. This will help preserve the colors and protect against environmental factors. Finally, attach a sturdy hanger to the back of the plaque so it can be proudly displayed. Congratulations! You have successfully created a beautiful and lasting memento of your hunting experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.